Hello? What doing, my dear? What your Tanya Mr. क्यों मजाक बनती है मेरी अपना? What happened to Tanya? Yeah. See, anyway, what our see became popular like anything actually. That is her success. That shows her success actually. Yeah. That is her power actually. That is the power. Really, I don't know how many people there are like me. I don't know what is this. I can't say na yaar. Studying which one? Studying which one? Then? From that day you are studying money laundering money. It's not moving forward. I don't know. What? You are very fast. I should see me. You are what? Just you should be proper. Okay, Slow. I hear inside my house. Have I already not anywhere else. This is my house, my own house. Here I am, okay, not anywhere else. Me and my mother around here, no other person here, okay. Here I sleep inside my hall, not anywhere else. This is my house, and is my house, not anywhere else. Okay, if we go, I am having 3 cameras and these criminals are creating stories that 3 cameras are free, that's making 3 houses, nothing like that. This house, one is in our own kitchen, this one is in this hall, and the other one is facing the gate actually. This 3 cameras belong to the same house, not anywhere else. Where I stay, this is my own house, and my my mother's this thing also. After her lifetime only I will get as my own actually. Like, and even she can't do anything, even I can't do anything. This is my own house and there is no need for to write any will or anything. This will be remain in my name only, and then it will go by succession to succession, okay, not through anything else. It's just automatic thing. എന്നെക്കാട്ടി മൂത്ത മക്കളുടെ മുതുക്കിയൊക്കെയാണ് അതിനകത്ത് അഭിനയിക്കുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. എന്റെ അഡ്രസ് മൊത്തം ഞാൻ യൂട്യൂബിലുണ്ട്. ഭവ്യമന്ദിരം ഭവ്യമന്ദിരം. This is my house number 89, ward number 1, Harvika village, Alapur district. Anybody can come and inquire what is happening here, what dramas are happening here. Ennekatti muduki, and one lady who is having son who is elder to me, she is doing drama as me actually. That's bastard. 10-80 വയസ്സുള്ളവർ. I am having my own certificate. I studied at St. Mary's, Kalabrook. People know there. Even today, people ask the 98 batch students. They are asking, did you study there at St. Mary's? People know me there. Okay. Huh.